Namaste everybody, sorry I'm a little late.
सदाशिव समारंभाम
सदाशिवसमारम्भां
शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम
शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम्
अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंताम
अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां
वंदे गुरु परंपराम
वंदे गुरु परंपरा
वसुदेव सुतं देवम
वसुदेव सुतं देव
कंस चाणूरमर्दनम देवकी परमानंदम
देवकी
परमानंदम
कृष्णं वंदे जगद्गुरुम
गुरु
श्रेयो हि ज्ञानम अभ्यासात्
श्रेयो ज्ञानमभ्यासात्
ज्ञानात् ध्यानं विशिष्यते
ज्ञानात् ध्यानं विशिष्यते
ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः
ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः
त्यागात् शान्ति अनन्तरम्
त्यागात् शान्ति अनन्तरम्.
So we'll start. We are on 5th chapter, but today is like yesterday was a special day. It's Ram Navami, so we'll just do a Ram Stuti, and then today we will talk about Ram Bhagwan also. लोकाभिरामं रणरङ्गधीरं राजीवनेत्रं रघुवंशनाथं कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरन्तं श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये. Today's question a young devotee has asked, which is very relevant for Ram Navami also. The question he has asked about avatar, we'll talk about at the end. And which is, but good, at least yesterday was Ram Navami, so when we talk about avatar, the focus will be Sri Ram, so that will be good. So now we are on 5th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, which is Karma Sannyas or Sannyas Yoga. Arjun, first, second and third chapter, Bhagwan has explained to Arjun Gyan Yoga and Karma Yoga. Third chapter, Arjun asks which is better, sannyas or gyan. He has been asking this question in various ways, and till then, when we finish, and Bhagwan will keep answering in different ways, but there is no different answer. Bhagwan answers second chapter, third chapter में दे दिया है, समझा दिया कर्म क्या है और ज्ञान क्या. That's it. There is nothing other than karma and gyan. But Bhagwan will keep answering. Right? He's a smart teacher and Arjun is a smart student, so he'll keep asking. एक बार किसी साधु सन्यासी को किसी ने पूछा, कोई स्वामी जी को, कि people ask you a lot of questions, right? And you have answered for every question. I mean, कोई पूछता आप उत्तर दे, बड़ी अच्छा उन्होंने उत्तर दिया था. उन्होंने कहा कि क्वेश्चन एक ही होता है, लोग भले ही अलग अलग तरह से पूछें, तो मैं एक ही उत्तर देता हूँ. आपको लगता है मैं बहुत सारे उत्तर दे रहा हूँ. वन आंसर आई कैन गिव. एक ही आंसर ये कि भाई आप हम सब परमात्मा का हिस्सा है, अल्टीमेटली तत्वमसी. और तत्वमसी को मैं हम डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ऑडियंस, I can explain तत्वमसी if there are kids, the same if there are adult people, if there are businessmen. उत्तर एक ही है, तत्वमसी. प्रश्न भी लोगों को वही होता है कि मैं कौन हूं, या मैं द मोमेंट आई सेड कि मैं दुखी क्यों हूं, प्रश्न आपका है कि मैं कौन हूं, क्योंकि आप दुख हो ही नहीं जब आपको पता लग गया, दैट इज द उत्तर. तो इसलिए यहाँ गीता में भी जो भी कुछ चल रहा है, ऐसा लगेगा कि बहुत सारे चैप्टर चल रहे हैं. चैप्टर जितने भी हैं एक ही बात भगवान बोलेंगे बार बार. लेकिन वी आर लकी कि अर्जुन केप्ट आस्किंग. अगर 10 मिनट में खत्म हो जाता कि चलो गेम खत्म हो गया, तो इट्स नॉट अ T20. ये तो 20 ओवर में खत्म होने वाला नहीं है. ये लंबा चलने वाला गेम है. तो इसके लिए, लेकिन दिस इज गुड पार्ट दैट सेम थिंग वी हियर in a different ways. तो क्या होता है कि you get time also to sync things, and sometimes because of our background, because of our nature, everybody has little different background, different nature. The beauty of Gita teaching is कि पूरा अगर गीता पढ़ लें, systematic study हमारे गुरु जी बोलते हैं, भगवद गीता, वेदांत, भगवद गीता is a Vedanta. Systematic study with that Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam, the framework, we have to apply that framework. It doesn't, otherwise it doesn't work. ये लेटे आप गीता पढ़ लें YouTube पे randomly कहीं जाके देख लेना, that is not going to take us anywhere. So we have to do the systematic study complete as a course. So slowly, different flavors and different answers or something. Oh, this is my answer. You got it. किसी चैप्टर में 13 में 12th में किसी में आ जाएगा, या पूरे में आनंद आता रहेगा. So that's the reason we'll see that again and again. But Bhagwan will keep explaining. So yes, yeah. So now we are at the 5th chapter, which is Sannyas Yoga. Same thing. Arjun asked कि संन्यास अच्छा है या कर्म अच्छा है. And Bhagwan said in the beginning of this chapter that for easier for you, Arjun, to be in the karma. अभी संन्यास लेके करेगा क्या? But at the same time, Bhagwan is a very good, smart teacher. He says, no. If you are doing nishkam karma, you are a sannyasi already. So he is not denying. He is not saying कि संन्यास कुछ अलग है. भगवान कह रहा है if you do the karma with nishkam bhav, you are a sannyasi anyways. So now there too much. इसीलिए I always say इसे खिचड़ी. इसमें मूंग की दाल चावल मिले हुए हैं, आप अलग अलग खा नहीं सकते हो. गीता को, भगवान की teaching को खिचड़ी की तरह ही you have to enjoy that. So we are on 15th shlok we did last time. As I said, it is one of the first shlok I heard when I was started listening to Bhagavad Gita, or I thought that Bhagavad Gita could be helpful. So, and this is a very good shlok, and another shlok we'll cover today, which is 19th. These two shlok, I personally believe, should be taught in schools. It clears these two shlok, एक और जो आएगा आज, like the summary of this which I posted, right? जिसमें भगवान कह रहे हैं कि the vision of what will happen once you get this knowledge, which we are trying to get it, right? Vidya vinay sampanne brahmane gavi hastini shuni chaiva shapake ch panditaha sandarshina. You will have a vision where you see everything is same. अभी पूरी दुनिया में जो ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड बोलते हैं ना, हम लोग सब यही बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि we are all same. जो हमारी गीता अंडरलाइन मैसेज हमेशा देती है कि we are different but not separate. That's it. We are different. कोई male, female, white, black, Indian, non-Indian, Hindu, non-Hindu, but we are not separate because the आत्मा तो सबके अंदर एक ही है. That's the श्लोक 9 we'll come to at 16. So these 19th, so these 18th, yeah. So these two श्लोक 15th and 18th, अगर इसको तो स्कूल में it should be part of the curriculum. ये दो श्लोक अगर समझ जाए तो then all the doubts are clear. You are a global citizen. ये जो भी हम लोग परिभाषा we throw corporate world में, we throw the definition of global citizen and all. That's it. We'll see that, right? So let's repeat 15 one more time and then we move to the 16, 17 there. So 15 shlok of 5th chapter, which is a Sannyas Yoga. Naveen bhai, you have that, right? Or
Right.
Yeah, okay. Nadatte kasya chit papam
Nadatte kasyachit papam
na chaivam sukratam vibhuh
na chaiva sukrutum vibhu
ajnanena avratam jnanam
ajnanena avratam jnanam
tena muhyanti jantavah.
तेन मुह्यति जंतवः. सर्वव्यापी परमात्मा न किसी के पाप कर्म को और न शुभ कर्म को ही ग्रहण करता है, किंतु अज्ञान से ज्ञान ढका हुआ है, उसी से सब जीव मोहित हो रहे हैं.
Bhagwan accepts neither the sin nor even the virtue of anyone. Knowledge is veiled by ignorance. Beings are thereby deluded.
Yeah, so we saw last time, right? मैंने बोला भी था कि again, like I just want to correct because somebody asked me the question after our session was over that कि when भगवान कुछ नहीं करता, what does it mean? So now भगवान is saying कि I don't do, ये जो तुम्हारा ड्रामा चल रहा है ना, मैं मेरा मेरा घर मेरा ये सब, इस ड्रामे में रोल प्ले नहीं करता हूँ. That's what he is saying. भगवान से ही सब चल रहा था. We saw that poem last time. ये कौन चित्रकार है, right? हरी हरी वसुंधरा पे नीला नीला ये गगन, कि जिस पे बादलों की पालकी उड़ा रहा पवन, दिशाएं देखो रंग भरी चमक रही उमंग भरी, किसने फूल फूल पे किया सिंगार है, ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार है. दिखता नहीं है, वो भगवान है. तो भगवान ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूँ. भगवान की प्रेजेंस में एवरीथिंग हैपेंस. इट्स लाइक व्हेन सन राइजेस, और sun is always there, but when we see sun, the life starts. But sun doesn't say, oh, I'm going to inject life into you. It is presence of sun. So same thing Bhagwan saying, I don't partake in your ये गेम जो चलता है हम लोगों का, ये मैं मेरा, ये जो हम लोगों का संसार चलता है, इस ड्रामे में भगवान हिस्सा नहीं लेने वाले. कि कभी रो रहे हैं, कभी हंस रहे हैं, कभी खुश हो गए कि भगवान ने बहुत दे दिया, कभी भगवान ने मेरे को क्यों नहीं दिया, उसको दे दिया. ये जो हमारा ड्रामा है, भगवान कहते हैं, दैट इज भगवान इज सेइंग अज्ञानेन ज्ञान आवृतम ज्ञान. अज्ञान, इस अज्ञान ने कि भगवान ने कुछ कर दिया या भगवान कुछ कर देगा, दिस इज अज्ञान. इसने ज्ञान को ढक रखा है. इन ज्ञान ये है कि तुम मुझसे अलग हो ही नहीं. दैट्स व्हाट व्हेन से तत्वमसि या हम ब्रह्मास्मि या आत्मज्ञान, यू आर एनीवे नॉट सेपरेट देन मी, बट यू हैव मेड इट योरसेल्फ सेपरेट. तुमने अपना संसार बना लिया, तुमने अपना एक प्लेटफॉर्म बना लिया, उस पर खेल रहे हो, और मेरे को बोल दो मैं भी खेलूं. आई डोंट ब्लेम दैट. दैट्स व्हाट भगवान इज सेइंग. इसलिए मैं किसी के पुण्य पाप भी नहीं लेता हूँ. डोंट वरी कि आपने कोई बहुत सारे दान दक्षिणा कर दी है तो मैं खुश होने वाला हूँ. जैसे लास्ट टाइम एग्जाम्पल दिया था, मैं तो खुश स्वरूप ही हूँ, मुझे खुश क्या करो. हम बोलने में बोल देते हैं, but that's elementary level teaching. We should not say that the teaching is wrong. It is required. तो elementary level पे जैसे बच्चों को we have to give some incentive कि ये चॉकलेट मिल जाएगी, थोड़ा पढ़ो, और you'll get to watch TV for 1 hour, finish your homework. But that's elementary level. So हम लोगों की जो पूजा पद्धति है मंदिर में जो है वो elementary level पे ठीक है कि आप पूजा करो, भगवान कुछ. लेकिन as we grow in the spiritual life, we become mature. Then we should understand कि भगवान is saying, no, I'm not playing with you. So my presence, everything happens. So इसलिए कहा है कि ये कौन चित्रकार है. लेकिन one thing is very sure, भगवान doesn't take vice and virtues, पाप पुण्य नहीं लेता है, भगवान पार्टेक नहीं करते हैं, but भगवान is a प्रेरणा स्त्रोत्र, जिसको हम लोग वी से अनुग्रह भगवान का बराबर है. So प्रेरणा is भगवान, जैसे सूर्य है, सूर्य इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, it is always available, use it the way you want. So भगवान is a प्रेरणा स्तोत्र. भगवान inspires us. That is true. आप हम सब करके देख सकते हैं. आप भजन करिए कृष्ण का, जिसका भी करना हो, राम जी का, आपको अंदर से ऑटोमेटिक you will feel good, and that is the प्रेरणा. There is no one coming and giving you. So प्रेरणा स्तोत्र भगवान है. That is जैसे like typically elder at home, and I remember my father, I always remember my father. He is no more. He was a professor. A professor means he was very, very known professor and very, very highly respectable, genuine professor. लोगों को बोलते थे कि ये सत्य professor है, ऐसा बोलते थे लोग. He was very, very good gentleman also. He is no more. So I still remember a professor at home, right? And we brothers, sisters, we are 4, 5 of us. And obviously, किसी के exam खराब भी जाते थे. I will never forget all my engineering and high school, whatever. If there are, I come home from exam. Typically, when you didn't do good exam, you high school वगैरह में थोड़ा सा we cry also, and we are cranky, and he say क्या हुआ बेटा, आज अच्छा नहीं हुआ, okay. कल किसका exam है, okay, तो physics की तैयारी करो. That's it. And now I think, look at, he never yelled at us because if we didn't do good in exam or something didn't do in academic. He said, okay, no problem. Let's stop. Look for the next exam. Prerana Stotra. He's inspiration for us to continue studies. I mean, and that's Bhagwan. So that is the presence of, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि parents की presence या elders की presence. That's the role of elders, right? To inspire, but don't take part. He won't do like, he's economics professor, I am doing engineering, mechanical. He's not going to, he doesn't understand. He said, भाई हमें तो engineering तुम्हारा कुछ आता नहीं है. लेकिन he will get up late in the night and make sure that you are comfortable. That is called prerna. So भगवान का वही काम है. We have to do, it is available, but we have to do that. लेकिन वो we start complaining and all those things, भगवान से कि चलो फिर मैं जा रहा हूँ. जैसे हमारे वो स्वामी जी बोलते हैं कि वो मंदिर में जाओ तो भगवान हमेशा मूर्ति, हिंदू मंदिर में भगवान की ऐसी रहती है. वो ऐसी क्यों रहती है? भगवान कहते हैं यार कंप्लेन मत करो, दर्शन करो और घर जाओ, लाइक दैट. पर हम वहां जाके कंप्लेन करने लगते हैं कि ये दर्शन करो घर जाओ. सो दैट्स व्हाट भगवान इज सेइंग कि दर्शन करो, प्रेरणा लो. तो दैट्स व्हाट. सो बट भगवान नहीं है या कुछ नहीं करता है, दैट वी शुड नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज बाय दिस श्लोक. लॉट ऑफ पीपल कंफ्यूज, ओ भगवान है. भगवान है. भगवान जो भगवान को करना है, भगवान इज अ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. इट्स अ सिस्टम अवेलेबल. You cannot enter into America just like that. There is a system. You have to get the passport. You have to go through immigration. There is everything is, and then you come. But not Biden is standing at every airport. Joe Biden, who are you? No, Joe Biden, president, has created a system. Everything works. That's what Bhagwan does. So that what this shlok is. So with that, we'll move to the next shlok, 16, which is next step of that, right? 16 shlok of 5th chapter. Jnanena tu tadjnanam
ज्ञानेन तु तज्ज्ञानं
yesham nashinat nashinat atmanah
येषां नासीत् आत्मनः
tesham adit avajnanam
तेषाम् अदित्यतव्य अज्ञानं
prakashayati tatparam.
प्रकाशयति तत्परम. परंतु जिन्होंने अपने जिस ज्ञान के द्वारा उस अज्ञान का नाश कर दिया है, उनका वह ज्ञान सूर्य की तरह परम तत्व परमात्मा को प्रकाशित कर देता है.
But in whom ignorance is destroyed by knowledge, in them knowledge reveals the supreme like the sun.
Yeah, so एक term बड़ी popular आजकल जो होती है self realization, or there are like there are institutes yoga and they say वो चक्र वाला भी सिखाते हैं कि 7 chakras or English. वो हमारे I have like white friends, they do that. They come to me, hey Sanjay, I did the chakra thing, and then I close eye, I'll see that light coming moving from spine to, सब ऐसा दिखाते हैं. ये श्लोक में भगवान बताते हैं, भगवान ने ये नहीं कहा है कि सब लाइट वाइट दिखेगी. But if this अज्ञान is gone, and then when we do the meditation, अगर हम meditate, as long as I think I am this body, which is hard. I mean, it's not going to happen in one day. But as long as I have that feeling that I am this body, वो ध्यान में वो आनंद जो भगवान कह रहे हैं, आदित्यवत, जैसे सूर्य, आदित्य में सूर्य, enlighten everything. When sun comes up, sun doesn't come up, but we face the sun, then everything is enlightened, because we say sunrise. Or same thing when this ज्ञान comes up, अंतःकरण में, अज्ञान, पिछले श्लोक में ही बताया था कि अज्ञानेन आवृतम ज्ञानम. Now he's saying कि पहले में था अज्ञान has covered the ज्ञान. Now he's saying ज्ञान has come and ज्ञान removes the darkness, the ज्ञान. Then you will see the light. So there is a story. There was one old village or old town, and they had no light. I'm talking, suppose ancient time. There's no light, and they used to have like the weddings at home. So when the nai bahu will come, the daughter-in-law. So there is a tradition in the house that the new daughter-in-law has a जैसे हमारे यहाँ कहीं कहते हैं कोई हलवा बनाएगी, कुछ होता है, like traditions are there. So they had a tradition, because there was no light, that this nai bahu will take a bucket and go to the house, the main room, and then take the darkness and throw out. ऐसे करके 8-10 bucket से वो darkness को बाहर फेंकेगी. And by some time it will happen, कोई चमत्कार हो जाए. किसी ने बोला था कि then you will have light. So nai bahu. So that one bahu came, she was a little educated. She said, hold on, what is that? He said, no, this is a tradition. And somebody said, ki, for some generation, this darkness will go away, but only when new bahu will do that. She said, hold on, let me do one thing. Do we have like a little bit of the cotton thread? Okay. You have some oil? Yeah, bring it. You have a piece of stones where we can rub? Yeah. So उसने एक छोटा सा दिया बनाया, and then she did the spark. वो दिया जला दिया, दिया जला, घर में लाइट आ गई. Everybody says, oh, oh, what? तो she said कि ये आपको किसने बोला कि अंधकार को हटाया जा सकता है, प्रकाश को लाना पड़ता है. अंधकार होता ही नहीं, जो है नहीं उसको कैसे हटाएंगे? We are solving the wrong problem. There is no problem, and we are trying to solve. Exactly, Bhagavan is saying कि एक बार प्रकाश अगर ज्ञान आ गया तो it's like light. Then you don't have to worry about अज्ञान. So that's what पिछले श्लोक में बताया था. इस श्लोक में उन्होंने क्लियर कर दिया. It is like sunlight. Just same thing. If you अगर कमरे में darkness है, if you put the light, then yes, darkness is gone. There is no darkness, doesn't exist. Okay. So the same thing. Then we'll go to the 17th slok because we have to reach to 18 also. Right? So 17 is, so again, yeah, Agyan is simple is that. Yeah, let's revisit Agyan. What is Agyan? We all know there is a Sattva or Sat, I-ness, that being. But the moment we put those identification on the being is like that Atma, that my existence. But now I put the title, I am a father, or I am a brother, or I am a president, or I am rich, or I am poor. That is also title. वो गरीब आदमी भी ऐसा नहीं कि पढ़े लिखे और हम सभी लोग अज्ञानी हैं. वो गरीब आदमी भी अज्ञानी, वो ये सोचता मैं गरीब हूँ, तो यू आर पुटिंग गरीब ऑन दैट. तो तुम भी अज्ञानी, सेम अज्ञानी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि पढ़े लिखे लोग ही अज्ञानी. सब the moment that I-ness is attached to the sharir, the body identification, it is Agyan. It's that simple. Vedanta, Gita कहती है, भगवान कहते हैं, is that I-ness, which is your Atma Swarup, you put all those titles on that identification. That is sharir based. So I-ness, which is Satta plus sharir, that is Agyan. Or what is Gyan? Remove the sharir, it's that simple. If you put that equation, Agyan equal to Satta, which is Sat or I-ness plus sharir. So if you remove sharir, and the will be drawn. The Gyan equal to Satta. That's it. It's that simple. That's what Bhagwan is saying in this श्लोक. ज्ञान को ही लाना है बस. लेकिन करना क्या है? ये जो हमारा identification with शरीर, मैं, मेरा, that's a problem. So with that we'll go to 17, right? तद्बुद्धयः तदात्मानः
तद्बुद्धयः तदात्मानः
तन्निष्ठाः तत्परायणाः
तत्निष्ठाः तत्परायणाः
गच्छन्ति अपुनरावृत्तिं
गच्छन्ति अपुनरावृत्तिं
ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः
ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः. जिनका मन तदाकार हो रहा है, जिनकी बुद्धि तदाकार हो रही है, जिनकी स्थिति परमात्मा तत्व में है, ऐसे परमात्मा परायण साधक ज्ञान के द्वारा पाप रहित होकर अपुनरावृत्ति परम गति को प्राप्त होते हैं.
With mind and intellect established in that, with that as the supreme goal, they, whose sins have been dispelled by knowledge, reach a state of no return.
Right. So Bhagwan is emphasizing again the same thing, that knowledge, people call it awareness, self-realization, whatever name we give. Steve Jobs liked self-realization. बुद्ध को awareness ठीक लगा, awareness. महावीर को केवल ज्ञान ठीक लगा, केवल ज्ञान. आत्मज्ञान एक ही चीज है. Doesn't matter whatever we say. अब हमारे गुरु नानक ने तो बोल दिया, जो बोले सो निहाल सत श्री अकाल. वो भी यही बोल रहे कि जब आपने सत्य को जान लिया तो निहाल हो गए. अभी वो हमको तो लगता है ना, जो ये तलवार दिखने लगती, जब ये कितना उसने हमने बिगाड़ दिया उस चीज को. अभी जब द मोमेंट ही से जो बोले सो निहाल सत श्री अकाल, ऐसा लगता है कोई तलवार उठा के झगड़ा होने वाला. ही इज सेइंग सत श्री अकाल, दिस योर ट्रूथ, जो बोले सो निहाल. जो समझ जाएगा वो निहाल हो. निहाल मीन्स यू आर एनलाइटन. निहाल का मतलब एनलाइटन. सो दैट्स इट. सो सबने अलग अलग बोला है, बट एक ही बात बोली कि सिर्फ जानना है. Who are you? That's what Atma Gyan is. So Bhagavan is saying in this, he has broken our sadhana into many small steps. So he says, Tatparayana. There is a word. Tatparayana means, Parayana means we can say a goal. So you set up a goal and set up always a higher goal. Gyan प्राप्त करना है तो you have set up a higher goal. And what is higher goal? Again, going back to the shlok, Brahmarpanam Brahma Havir Brahmagno Brahmanahutam. Brahma eva tena gantavyam Brahma karma samadhi. Everything is Brahman. तो भोजन पे इसलिए हमने लगाया कि इजी होता समझना. अब कितना आसान है कि जो खा रहा है वो भी ब्रह्म है, जो खाया जा रहा है वो भी ब्रह्म है, और जिस पर्पस से खाया जा रहा है वो भी ब्रह्म है. That's it. क्यों खाना खाते हैं? एनर्जी के लिए. कौन शुद्ध खाना खाते हैं? फ्रेश फूड खाना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई डोंट ईट फास्ट फूड, राइट? और जब कहते हैं खाना भोजन करते समय मन शांत रहना चाहिए, nowhere in the world, even if you go to tribes of South Africa, they'll say the same thing. Eat peacefully. ऐसा नहीं कोई इसमें कोई बहुत बड़ा आश्रम में बोला जा रहा है, सभी बोलते हैं, क्योंकि otherwise you will not be able to digest the food, you will not be able to get the nutrients, right? If you don't eat with right mindset, right food, right time. The Brahmarpanam Brahmavi Brahmagno Brahmanahutam. See, that's what he's saying. It's Tatparayana. The goal, set up the goal, Brahman. Brahman means Satya. That's my goal of life. Satya ko hi samajhna hai aur Satya ko hi jeena hai. Then he says, Tad Buddhaya. Tad Buddhaya means Buddhi. Buddhi means intellect in simple terms. मेरी बुद्धि में पूरे टाइम ब्रह्म विचार रहना चाहिए. इसलिए हम लोग जब ध्यान करते हैं तो ध्यान के बाद when we shut down all our senses, भगवान ने 6th chapter आएगा next. भगवान ने उसको बोला कि when you reach to that state where all the indriyas are quietened, do the brahma vichar. Once the mind is quiet, the buddhi has nothing to do, because the buddhi and mind, they work together. It's a gang. Mind will say to buddhi, should I do this? Should I do this? Buddhi say, don't do this, don't, or buddhi say, well, do this. So the game is working. So once the senses are shut down, the mind is quietened. Now you're ready for that samadhi or dhyan. Now do the brahma vichar. Vedant कहता है ब्रह्म विचार करना, कुछ ऐसा blank नहीं होना. ब्रह्म विचार, that's what he's saying. तद बुद्धि, तेरी बुद्धि में हमारे सिर्फ एक विचार होना चाहिए, that ब्रह्मन, जो भी है उसको गायत्री मंत्र बोले. It doesn't matter even हनुमान चालीसा. Just Om is enough. Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter में आएगा. Om is enough. You don't, anything can be enough. Doesn't matter what bhajan you give. Bhajan is enough. But bhajan is a tad buddhaya, tad रूपा. आप भजन जब करते हैं अगर सही समझ से, श्रद्धा से भजन करें तो भजन ही तद रूप है. भजन, मैं उस समय भगवान का स्वरूप होता हूँ. जो तुझसा हो वो तुझे जाने, भेद तेरा कोई क्या पहचाने. वो भजन है हमारा कि जो तुझसा हो. जब उस स्टेज में पहुंचेंगे तभी वो आनंद आएगा भगवान. एंड देन ही सेड तदात्मना अगेन, देन यू बिकम द सेम. तद्बुद्ध तदात्मा काइंड ऑफ वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर. एंड देन उसके बाद क्या होगा? ज्ञान निर्धूत कल्मषा. कल्मषा मीन्स impurities. And we saw one shlok that the previous nahi jnanena sadrasham pavitram iha vidyate. There is no purifier in this world like Gyan. So exactly, Gyan nirdhuta kalmasha. That purifier, Gyan is a purifier, will remove kalmasha means impurities. और पाप means वो कर्म कांड लेवल पे आ जाता है. बट चलो ठीक है, पाप भी समझ लो, पाप भी चले जाएंगे आप, क्योंकि आप पाप कर ही नहीं पाओगे ज्ञान हो गया. अभी जब ज्ञान हो गया तो पाप करोगे कैसे? तो पाप कहीं जाने वाले नहीं, आप पाप करोगे नहीं. निर्दूत मीन्स ऑल वॉश्ड अवे. सो ज्ञान विल वॉश अवे ऑल योर इम्प्यूरिटीज. द सेम, नहीं ज्ञानेन सदृशम. लेकिन व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टर दैट इज अपुनरावृत्तिम गच्छन्ति. ये द साइकिल ऑफ birth and death, this will not happen to you. So last time there was a question that Gyan asked स्वर्ग का, then answer was कि वेदांत से कि जीवन मुक्ति is better than स्वर्ग, क्योंकि स्वर्ग में तो you go and then the problem with स्वर्ग is स्वर्ग में you cannot accumulate. You will go with say $1 million your balance, and the स्वर्ग सब 1 million खत्म हुए तो वापस आ जाए, क्योंकि there is no earning there. स्वर्ग में there is no job, you just enjoy, but कभी ना कभी 1 million खत्म हो जाएंगे तो वापस धरती पे. तो भगवान कहते हैं कि धरती पे ही रहो, जीवन मुक्त हो जाओ. जीवन मुक्त will not accumulate right on this earth, and then पुनरावृत्ति will not happen. Then you will out of the cycle of death, birth and death. विदेह मुक्ति उसको बोलते हैं. तो जीवन मुक्ति and विदेह मुक्ति. So that's it. ज्ञान can do all this. ज्ञान है कि नहीं आज? ज्ञान, you're there? He's not there today. Yeah, so ज्ञान can do all this magic.
I'm here.
Oh yeah,
I must say.
so yeah, अरे ये तो बहुत ज्ञान का नाम हो गया है. so Gyan can do this magic, right? So you don't Jivan Mukti and then Videha Mukti. Videha means this day. So aap Anandi Ananda. It's like that. So that is shlok. Now we come to the shlok, which is another one of my favorite shloks. And I personally believe that this should be taught in schools everywhere, academic schools. This is a wonderful shlok, right? So 18th shlok of 5th chapter. Vidya Vinay Sampanne
विद्या विनय संपन्ने
Brahmane Gavihastini
ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि
Shuni Cheva Shopake Cha
शुनि चैव स्वपाके च
Panditaha Samadarshinaha.
पंडिताः समदर्शिनः. ज्ञानी महापुरुष विद्या विनय युक्त ब्राह्मण में और चांडाल में तथा गाय, हाथी एवं कुत्ते में भी समरूप परमात्मा को देखने वाले होते हैं.
The wise view equally a Brahmana endowed with learning and humility, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and even an outcast.
Yeah. So this we have to take this shlok was written thousands of years ago, this teaching. So it is the society was structured around this, but this is applicable even today. But that time, obviously, like cow, people used to have cow. Now even India with aaj bhi cow is still respectable, or we say cow worship. Baki to nahi hota duniya mein. But what the teaching is applicable because animal. Cow is an animal. Elephant is an animal. India में तो अभी भी elephant, there are mandirs where there Ganesh ji आ गए, elephant आ गया, means Ganesh ji आ गए लोग तो and then of course dog. And before he says Brahmane. Brahmane means a cultured, educated person. It's not just Brahman for the sake. It is an educated person who is cultured. And then the Shopake. Shopake is a uncultured person. The people who have the habits which doesn't fit into the society. So it's like that. So now look at the bandwidth. Bhagavan has covered the entire society. Here is educated people culture. Then there is a cow, elephant, and dog. Dog इसलिए लिया हुआ क्योंकि dog is one animal which has no purpose. Dog is the only animal which will bark anytime. बाकी कोई animal को आप देखेंगे नहीं कोई चिड़िया बैठी कोई निकल रहा है तो चिड़िया will just say. Dog has unnecessary. That's why we say like dog has purposeless. Even dog will chase the car. यहाँ तो नहीं होता लेकिन इंडिया में तो they'll chase the car for no purpose. वो car will stop, they'll stop and then go away. So and then bark all the time. Your dog bark here also. Dog is that's why dog वो सबसे कम समझदार जानवर है. अमेरिका में ज़्यादा बोलेंगे तो people will have problem. But it is the dog has no wisdom, like to very minimum. इसलिए वो भोगता रह रहा है. Clueless. So that's what I'm saying. But ये जो ज्ञानी है, when you become, the ज्ञान की बात हो रही है, ऊपर से ज्ञान नीचे आ रहा है, that whole, that ज्ञानी is not looking at he is an educated person or he is a dog or is an elephant or cow. Everybody, Pandita Samdarshina. Samdarshi means the vision which sees everyone equal. The bottom line is that because we are all different but not separate. इसको हमारे वेदांत की भाषा में अभेद भाव. The whole teaching of Vedanta is abhed. Bhed means differentiation. Abhed means there is no differentiation. So we are all same. The animals, plant, everybody has the same. हमारे तो इसलिए that we worship even the plants also. So because everything or everybody has the same Atma. So that's what he's saying. Ki Pandita Samdarshina. So we will read a little bit detailed. So, but in 4, so this is these days. If and then there are, but this ज्ञानी understands. So there is a difference. अभी ये नहीं कि सबको एक समझ रहे हैं तो सबको एक जैसे treat कर रहे हैं. You cannot just stray dog. You can go and touch the stray dog. I mean, I understand stray dog is atma. Stray dog will bite you, right? Or elephant, you cannot go to elephant just like that. Elephant is unleashed. Elephant doesn't understand कि आप पंडित हो या ज्ञानी हो. Elephant is its own स्वभाव, right? So this Jnani and when Bhagavan is saying some darshana means he sees everything as Atma, not torture or not harm that animal or anything which, or the human also. But at the same time, your behavior will be based on what you know, what this particular animal or human being is. You just cannot do here. So there's a term we use it, vyavaharik, which is practically you understand there's a difference between a jnani, educated person, elephant, cow, dog, and the uncultured. You know the difference at the practical level, so that you will treat them as they are. If uncultured person has, then you have to teach him. You have to educate him. Maybe you have to use some harnessing. You have to use harnessing. If dog are there, you have to. Elephant is there, you have to harness the elephant. That doesn't mean you're torturing, but because of nature. So that is called practical. But adhyatmic drashti se, yes, some darshina, adhyatmic drashti se, I understand these are all same. So that's what the jnani, and that's what we are. When we read this shlok, we should understand as an educated person. I know the difference. जैसे एक आदमी को एक बार वो चोरी करता था, तो ये श्लोक पढ़ लिया गया कि सब में आत्मा है. उसने चोरी करी तो उसको they arrested him and took it to the judge, and judge said कि you did this theft and then you will be punished. He says, or he did some crime also. He said, Sam, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, मैं तो आत्मा हूँ, ये तो शरीर ने कर दिया, आत्मा तो कुछ करती नहीं है. So आत्मा is pure. तभी आप मेरे को सजा कैसे दे सकते हो, मैंने तो कुछ किया नहीं, तो शरीर ने किया. तो उन्होंने कहा कोई बात. उन्होंने कहा जरा विप लेके आओ और इसको 100 विप लगाओ. उसने कहा मारना शुरू कर, और बहुत चोट लग रही है. उन्होंने कहा आपको, आत्मा को तो नहीं मार रहे हैं, आत्मा को तो लगती नहीं है, हम तो शरीर को मार रहे हैं. So we should not apply this knowledge unnecessarily. Vyavaharik and adhyatmic. So what Bhagwan is saying, adhyatmic. Practically you have to treat elephant or dog or cultured or uncultured. अब आप educator or culture program, suppose you are acharya, guru, you do the pranam. But you're not going to do the pranam to the dog, or dog agar pranam करें. Yeah, you don't hurt the dog. But उसको प्रणाम थोड़ी करेंगे. Yeah, आचार्य और कोई educated पर, yeah, you do pranam. That is vyavaharik. But adhyatmic groups, they are all same. Even educated person or uneducated person, they are same. We have to have same respect for them. We have to, if need be. Gandhi ji बहुत अच्छा example देते थे. Gandhi ji ने भगवद गीता में इसी श्लोक का very good example. And he said that India में that time, अभी भी होता है कि when there is a snake bite in the villages, there are people who can suck the poison, ऐसे suck करके, and then they throw and the poison will go out. So he used to give example कि if there is a rich person got a snake bite, and then everybody will go, okay, I'll do that. But if it's a poor guy, but nobody would care. No, you care for both. Snake bite done to a person, if you know the trick, so that is serving them equally. And that's what samdarshina. Samdarshina means the vision is this person's vision is very clear. So आजकल बहुत, this is very popular these days. हम लोग जब corporate world में पढ़ते हैं, equality and equity, very popular है corporate world में. So अभी यहाँ अमेरिका में तो ज़्यादा ही चलता है, because it's a democratic country. Equality and equity. So equality means everybody will be given the same thing. But what about equity? Not everybody should be resources should be given to the person based on his or her need. That is called equity. When we check in for the airline, they say that, oh, like whatever business class, and then say the people who need extra time in settling down, please check in now, and then rest will come later. So handicap or with little kids, yeah, so they are also in the queue, but they are given preference because their need is different. That is called equity. Equality तो सब सच आ सकता है, भीड़ जैसे इंडिया में नहीं, इंडिया में तो चेक इन लेकिन तो क्या भीड़ होती है, like they don't even understand. इंडिया में there is no equity, everything is equal. और सब एकदम घुस जाते हैं बिना कुछ, वो यहाँ भी चिल्लाते रहते हैं इंडिया, hey please hold on, we'll call your row, we'll call your number. इंडिया में equality, अमेरिका में equity काफी काम होता है. So equity, that, so this samdarshinam is equity based on that person's whatever स्वभाव or nature or person's attribute, this jnani behaves, but no partiality, respect for all. And this is very popular these days, equity or equality. अभी तो हम आज तो भगवान राम का जन्मदिन था कल, तो जो राम राज्य की कल्पना करते थे उस समय और आज भी करते हैं, फिर राम राज्य रामायण में पढ़े तो भगवान राम से भरत जी ने पूछा व्हेन ही कम्स बैक कि राम राज्य क्या होगा। अगर आप श्लोक कभी टाइम मिलेगा तो हम पढ़ेंगे। श्लोक टॉक्स अबाउट इक्विटी। भगवान राम, दैट्स द रीजन लॉट ऑफ पीपल, इवन गांधी जी और तिलक और अभी भी आज लोग बोलते हैं राम राज्य होना चाहिए भारत। So it's not about Hindu Raj, it is Ram Raj. Because Ram Raj, भगवान ने जो define किया रामायण में, that is equity. Everybody will get based on their need, the respect or whatever. So that's what Samdarshina, Pandita, and that person is Pandit. ये पंडित हम लोग हर किसी को पंडित बोलते हैं आजकल नहीं, जिसकी दृष्टि, जिसकी vision has equanimity, which is who respects everyone. That is Pandit. समझ के. So that this slok we might spend a few more minutes next time, but we'll stop here because there is a question related. So yeah, so this is very important. We need to understand this shlok and the 15th. ये तो एकदम academic में होना चाहिए, बच्चों को भी बताना चाहिए कि this is respect for everyone. Everyone means everyone. Equality, equity, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं समता. Samatha is a very classic word in Bhagavad Gita में बहुत यूज हुआ है. समत्वम योग उच्चते भगवान से. Samatha in the vision. I see everyone with the same eyes. ऋग्वेद में हमारा एक श्लोक भी आता है, मित्रस्य चक्षुषा समीक्षामहे. Let us see each other. ऋग्वेद, oldest written book on this earth. ऋग्वेद, उसमें एक मित्रस्य चक्षुषा समीक्षामहे. Let us see each other with the eyes of a friend. क्या बात है? What a wonderful Rigved, thousands of years old. And this is the teaching we should. And now we are talking about the equality and equity. America में बहुत चलता है. This is what we are talking. After all this global thing सब हो गया, सब झगड़ा वगड़ा हो गया, corporate world. Then oh, आप सब एक हो जाओ. अरे पहले से ही एक होना चाहिए. Right from the childhood we have to teach these things to kids. Then once they become a corporate so tycoon, and then we blame them. The education has to come from early time, early age. But anyway, so we'll stop here and then take that question is also related to we'll spend some more time next time. Because there is a song, वो एक स्वदेश पिक्चर का, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, जो भी इसे देखे, जो भी दिखे वो लगे प्यारा, है सब साथ में एक रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा. ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, सब तारे एक जैसे हैं, तब आसमान अच्छा लगता है. सभी तारे एक जैसे दिखते हैं, सब एक साथ हैं, एक ही आसमान, तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा. सो दैट इज व्हाट ही इज सेइंग. सब कुछ ऐसा ऐसे चमक जाएगा अगर सब इस तरह से एक दूसरे को सब साथ रहेंगे तो. समदर्शिना. Okay, we'll stop here and take the question and then continue this next time. So 1 second.